Will AMCA ever fly? Well, yes, as per the Raksha Mantri before 2035. Prototype will fly by 28 to 2030, but how did it get delayed? Till 2018, India's primary focus was on FGFA or PAKFA or Su-57, which it was developing with Russia. Then the Indian Air Force wasn't convinced with the product or the work share or the transfer of technology despite India being a key partner and an investor in the project. The investment was $300 million. Hence, due to lack of transparency, India and the Indian Air Force and the HAL walked out of the deal. Ideally, this should mean a green light for AMCA. However, that's not how things work in India. In India, projects of such state and scale need to be approved by the CCS, Cabinet Committee of Security, which are headed by PM, NSA, Raksha Mantri, and the Finance Minister. This CCS clearance only came in March 2024, straight 6 years of delay. It is from this point in the project that the prototype development takes place, which ideally takes 2 to 3 years or even 4 years sometimes. However, there is a catch, which delayed the project further. The catch is that the government of India wanted a private player or a group of them to do the job, rather than HAL, which created two further problems. These are, no private player except HAL can manufacture a jet ground up. Players like Tata, etc. are barely putting parts together in whatever they are manufacturing in their Hyderabad or any other plant in this country. The next problem was even bigger. Order quantity of merely 120 aircraft cannot convince these private players to invest huge amount in developing new manufacturing facilities. This to and fro between the government of India and private sector started in 2023 and has remained largely unresolved till date, adding to further delays. The next issue is manufacturing of any fifth generation aircraft requires setting up a 50,000 ton capacity forging press, which India does not have to manufacture titanium alloys. HAL is setting up one which is expected to run by 2028. The engine issue with the LCA Mark 1A brought everyone back to the drawing board, thinking what if the Americans do the same to the AMCA engine supply chain like they are doing with the LCA Mark 1A. As a result of which DRDO has tied up with Safran, the engine maker which manufactures Rafale jets engine. The project will cost around 8 to 10 USD billion, which will have shared IP between the two countries and the two organizations. So these were the major factors which are bogging down the AMCA project. What are your thoughts regarding this? Let me know in the comment section. To know more, watch the attached video and subscribe to the Boring Diary for more such knowledgeable videos.